This is the part to get ready with me with my birthday. So first, magkaano na tayo ng curly eyelashes on my god. On this one. Kasi pupunta kami sa Caron and madaming ride sa Caron guys. And pumunta na kasi sa New Lardo. At tapos guys, ang nakakatuwa pa doon, pwede din siya sa matanda te. Kahit matanda ka na, pwede ka pa rin mag-ride. Grabe ka te. Ang daming ride pupunta, grabe core. May eyeshadow. As test. So Papa Choppa, you already know, is so cute. The packaging. Ala sa akin. Na ako mag-makeup. Ang settings. Na mag-powder. I'll use constant steady color kasi birthday ko. Purple. This is my final look. Comment for another day. Bye. Best in my day.